Alright, it's Ali Ahmed again. I got another video. So I just made a video a little bit ago about the X20, the Venom X20 from Venom Motorsports. And they also sent me an exhaust for it. Pretty amazing bike. I think right now I'm at like 50 miles on it. It's 125cc. Honestly, I love it so far. No complaints. Actually, I had a lot of people tell me that it's better than the Grom. And I believe the gas tank is bigger than the gas tank on the Grom. Alrighty. So, you get your bike, put it all together, you ride around, and then you're like, I kind of want to do a little upgrade on it. You know what I'm saying? Just a little something. So, Venom sent me an exhaust. So, just to let you know, guys, know the only thing that I took off so far for this bike is this, just the cover plate that covers the exhaust, just so I can show you guys what we're working with. So, in this video, we're going to be replacing the exhaust on the bike. And just to show you guys how it comes in when they send it to you. This is pretty much what you get. You get the muffler right here, and they send you the whole pipe. Look at that. Perfect. Cool. So, let's go over there and go to work. Alright. So, just to let you know, the only thing that I ever took out was just the cover out of that was right here. So, from what I'm seeing, the first thing that I think we should take out of is there's a bolt right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Looks like a 3/8. I say that's a 3/8 screw. But we'll find out. Get my little tool real quick. Alright, hold up. I'm gonna set the phone this thing somewhere. Hold on. Alrighty. Alright. This'll do it. Right there. Yeah, you can see me. Alrighty. So, let me get the screw out first. See what we got after that. That's a lot better. So, let's get this guy. Here's my drill. And I mean, all the stuff that I'm using, by the way, you could probably pick up at Walmart or something like that, but I personally like to go with a certain brand. Yep, definitely. Let's try 3/8. Nope, a little bit bigger. Put the extension on there. A little deeper to find. Alright. Okay. Nope. So it's a metric size. What size is this? Probably this guy. Alright, I'll tell you on the sizes in a second. Wow. That's what it was. It was a 10 in metric. So the first screw that we're taking off right here was a 10 in metric. Make sure you don't lose any of the screws because we're probably going to have to reuse them. I'm pretty sure we're going to have to reuse these screws, alright? Here's a screw, washer, and on the other end, up. Oh, okay, yeah, so that's it. Alright. Oh, now I can pretty much take this. Okay, so next, right here, we have a. What does that seem to be? Okay. Oh, okay. Alright. Then we're going to follow it down. We've got two very long screws right here. See if I can spike a little bit. We got, see? Oh, all right. We've got two very long screws right here. I don't know what size they are. Let's find out. Oh, they're the same size. So number 10 again. Number 10. That's metric again. Metric. Two more screws. And all I did, by the way, I just followed the pipe. Followed the exhaust pipe all the way to the motor. No, to the carburetor. I'm sorry. The carburetor. Yep, that was it. It was a 10. All right. I think after I take this one off, it's probably going to fall right off. By the way, the reason I'm telling you guys to the right sizes, use a 10. Try not to use nothing crazy. You could probably get it with a wrench, like a crescent wrench, one of those adjustable wrenches. But like I said, we're going to be reusing a lot of these things. You don't want to strip it, because if you strip it, it's kind of on you. And you'll probably have to go to the hardware store. But if you're doing it on a weekend or something, they're usually closed. So please, or at least if you're using a drill or if you're using the correct size, don't give it a little too much power just so that you don't strip it, all right? Alrighty. All right, put the screws right there together. I think we're loose now. Oh, there's one more screw right behind this guy. How do I get out of there? All right, I think we're gonna have to take this side thing off. Yep. Let's see what size this is. Watch it be the same size. What do you know? Same size again, a 10. There's a screw here on the body panel, right here. That's gonna have to get taken out. I think I gotta take this chair off too. So let me get my key. Let's take the chair out. This is my first time doing this, by the way, too. So to take the chair off, there's a keyhole on the left side, and how you pop it out. All right. So there's another screw right here. And I think this little black thing just pops out. Before it pops out, though, there's one more screw here. Let me take the camera so I can show what I'm talking about. So I'm trying to take this black panel right here. As y'all can see, there's a screw right here. Right after there's a screw right here. So I can't get it off. So there was one screw here. I already took that off. And as you can tell, so it's loose from right here, loose. But there's one, looks like a Phillips head. Phillips head right there that needs to be taken out. One Phillips head. So we were trying to remove this panel right here. Just this little one, not the whole thing. Just this little black panel. All right. Let's go back to it. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, that's the Phillips. So I'll grab my little Phillips thing. Oh. I think we might be able to come loose. Hold on. Oh, yep, there we go. Alrighty. So I didn't have to take that little Phillips. There was another screw that I had to take off that was right next to it. Probably should leave it like that so I can remember. Perfect. Now I can see it. Alright, so back to the exhaust. Right here. Oh, I gotta take some more out. Alright, we're gonna have to take a little bit more out. Okay. Alright, what else we have here? We got a... Oh, so this pops off just like this. Another Phillips right there. Wow. Make sure you're putting all your screws in one spot so that you're not losing it, because I promise it is not fun trying to find screws. Not the funnest thing in the world, I promise. Oh, there we go. Now I can see the bolt. So just to let you know, I had to take a Phillips screw right up here. There was a Phillips screw, one right here, and one Phillips screw right here. So that was two Phillips. Now I can see the bolt, which, like you see, I didn't take it off all the way. I just took it a little bit. I think we're loose now. All right, let's see. Let's try this again. Oh, we're loose. Got one part out. There's the exhaust. I guess the muffler, I'm sorry. And then we got a part at the bottom. And that guy. There was another bolt right down here. And again, I'm just following the exhaust. Just letting y'all know, I'm just following the exhaust. Just follow the pipe. Boom, we are out. Woohoo! Alrighty. Alrighty, look at that. Original stock. Oh, very easy. So just like I said, all I used was the number 10 socket. That's just the number 10 socket and Phillips screwdriver so far. That's all I've been needing. Alrighty. Make sure he's looking at it. Alright, perfect. Now, what I'll do next is I'll go get the new exhaust. Alrighty. So new exhaust, as you can tell, it's got a bigger pipe, bigger hole right here. This is what's going to go right on the exhaust, on the new exhaust. And then this right here goes back to the carburetor. So I'm going to try to fit it right back under like how we just did this guy. So right down here. Turn. Hold on. Hold on. Alrighty, so this guy is gonna have to go and something just like this. Oh, you can turn this. Okay, that's great. Alright, so we're gonna have to do a little finagling with this thing. Let's see. Alright. It's a little finagling. So this guy's gonna go in like this. Right down here. Two holes. It's gonna match right up to two holes how we did originally. And then I wanna say, there we go, just like that. Alrighty. So yeah, your console's gotta fit the pipe, run the pipe from the same hole to go back to the carburetor. And from there, pick it up. Oh, direct fit. What do you know? Thank you, Venom. Alright. Alrighty, you stay right there. Literally, it's a direct fit. So let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So there is a hole right here. It kind of looks like a hole, but this is where I ran the pipe from. Right down there. Come out. Still here, and boom. right there. And all you gotta do now is screw it on. Very easy. They make it easy. I promise, man. They make it easy. Alright. Let me go check if there was some type of gasket or anything, but I think there wasn't. So I think we should be good, just like that. Alrighty. Nope, there's no gasket or nothing like that needed. Alrighty, perfect. So you get your screws that we took off. They look like this. Two big ones. Very long, I'm sorry. Extremely long ones. And you just want to hand tighten it at first. Hand tighten this side, just trying to make it even. And alrighty. And the good thing about being hand tight is you can still move it a little bit, but at least it's there. It's kind of holding it for you. All right, but you can still move it. You can put on the exhaust and we can just tighten up that last, okay? All right. Ooh, look at that. The hole down here aligned as well, so that's a very good thing. All right. We're going to use the screw with so all of these bolts that came out, none of them had the nut in the back. The nut is this little circle thing. It's this little thing. So there is the thing, you just screw it on there. And this is the one you're going to use down here. That's what you're going to use for this guy. I'm just trying to put the nut in the back side. Yes, sir. Woo! Locked and loaded. We're in there now. Now I can go back and tighten this other guy. I believe so. Let's find out. Might be wrong, but let's find out, right? Ooh. Ow, my thing got stuck in it. Alrighty. Sometimes they get stuck in there when you make them a little tight. Alright. Exhaust is on right here. Alrighty, let's get the muffler, new muffler. New muffler coming along. Alright, let's see what we got. Whew. New muffler. So you're gonna have to give it a little, keep wiggling it right and left until it's nice and tight on there. It has to be like really tight. There's no welding, no nothing. This is just a slip on. Alrighty. Now it's all the way in. My boy. Alrighty. Man, you see, I probably should. Oh, yep. Cool. This thing is not going anywhere. That's it. Sorry, that was my shadow. So, then, what you need to do, so you just flipped it on right now, so I'm going to just show y'all where I'm at. So this is where I'm at right now. Got 2 bolts right down here. That was 1. Follow the exhaust, follow the exhaust. Right down here. There's 1 more bolt. That's 2, pretty much. Now it's in place. It's not going anywhere. Follow it back up here. Now you got these guys. And all I did, by the way, was just push the exhaust on. That's it. It's very simple. All right. Now, they sent some stuff in there for you to tighten it. It's kind of like a spring, pretty much. Oh, there we go. We got him. Oh. Well, what do you know, man? They're good with this stuff. What is this? This looks like it. Okay. A lot of fun stuff they sent. So this guy, I'm gonna need my needle nose for this. Yeah, definitely will. Yeah, I need a needle nose. Oh, it's on. It's on. I don't tell you, it's on. Oh, alrighty. That exhaust is not going anywhere. I think that's it. But I might, for extra security, I'm thinking about, uh, should I? Thinking about something. So for extra security, let me see if I could try something. They added some extra bolts in here and stuff just for some spares, I believe. So this only, yep, just spares. Nope, I think that's it. Actually, we're good. That's all it was. I'm gonna show y'all what I did. That's it. It's final, actually. That's all it was. Oh, let me show you guys. Final look. So this right here, this is holding it in place. These spring things, and they're actually very tight. This thing is not even moving. um, and that's pretty much all it was. Let me put this back together, and we'll start it up. And again, shout out to Venom Motorsports again. They coming in clutch. And I mean, their stuff is just awesome. This thing is not even moving, no rattle. And like, I don't even think this thing is going to rattle at all. I don't see it rattling. Alrighty. So, back to what we were doing earlier. Just popped into place pretty much. There was a bolt that went right here. Yeah, there we go. Alrighty. There was another one that went right here. Now, when it's plastic, you don't want it killer tight, just tight. You know, because you don't want to, you'll crack that plastic and it's not pretty after that. Okay. And then we've got this guy pops right in. I think so. All right. It's good. Oh, this can get tight. All righty. Oh, we dropped the screw, a bolt. All right. That's in place. That's in place. And then we're gonna do. Remember, we talked about there was two with the Phillips. There we go. Nice and tight. If it ain't tight, it ain't right. Oh, righty. One more over here. And this is pretty much it. Now I just got to put the seat back on. We're done. This is very easy. I mean, come on. You can do that on your lunch break. That's how easy it is. To put the seat back on, by the way, you just kind of slide it in. There's a little hook right here on this side. Ooh. Sorry. All right, let's see. Just like that. Oh. Oh, no. There we go. And you just tap it one time here, it clicks. Now you can take your key out. Everything looks good. Clear. Alrighty. Tight, 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 tight. I think that was it. I didn't listen to anything else. Nope. You're going to end up with 2 extra bolts. There's not really a spot for them. But what you can do, just in case if you ever in the future want to go back to it, your original one, you can just put them right back in the same holes that they came in. I have a box that I'm going to put all my stuff in. But, all right, let's try it out. Let's see. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. Just beautiful. I love it. I love the way that looks. This is just beautiful. We got that carbon fiber look. Let's hear it. We're neutral. Oh, my kill switch was off. Hold on. Let's try that again. Hold on. I'm gonna leave it there. That's it. Venom Motorsports. That's where it's at. That's it. Venom Motorsports USA.com. They did it again. And by the way, it sounds like that with the silencer in. You can actually adjust this. There is a screw right here. There's a screw right here. You can take out the silencer. Inside there is a silencer. You can take it out. Just with the silencer, and it sounds like this. Oh my God. It's neutral right now. Very easy. It took 30 minutes to do this. All right, man. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and definitely check out VenomMotorsportsUSA.com. I'm gonna leave the link to their website, to this bike, and to the exhaust, and check them out. They'll hook you up. See you later.